Our goal has always been to bring the most budget-friendly cars to people as quickly as possible, and that vision continues with even more energy now. This updated idea of the Tesla Model 2, which so many people are expecting to arrive in the first quarter of the year 2026, is turning into something very different from what most people had imagined in the early days. Over the last several months, people around the world have shared drawings, wild guesses, and bold predictions. All of us may have gone a little too far trying to guess every hidden detail about this small electric car. Yet now something unusual is happening. Instead of the usual silence from Tesla, a growing number of real signs, indirect hints, and small controlled leaks are appearing. And these small pieces are helping us build a more realistic picture of what is coming. Even though Tesla has stayed quiet publicly, the patterns around the company are louder than any official statement. Before we go deeper, I want to say a warm welcome to AMP Drive. If you enjoy real and honest updates about Tesla and future technology, then stay with us because we dig into everything with clear and simple words. And yes, if you are enjoying this breakdown, then tap subscribe in a fun quick way. Just hit it like you are opening the door of a brand new Tesla Model 2. It helps a lot. Now let us continue. The Model 2 has always been promised as the car that will finally make electric vehicles truly accessible to almost everyone. Elon Musk has repeated again and again that affordability is the real key to the global shift toward clean energy. Expensive electric cars can only go so far. The world needs something that costs as little as a traditional gasoline car, something that can reach millions of families, students, workers, and everyday drivers. And the Model 2 is supposed to be that turning point. People keep calling it the $25,000 Tesla, although the truth is that this number may shift a little depending on the country. Still, the idea is the same. Tesla wants to build a machine that is light, efficient, cheap to manufacture, and fast to assemble at a scale the world has never seen before. What makes this project even more interesting is that it is not just about building a smaller car. It is about building a new way to build cars. This is why the 50,000-ton Giga press matters so much. It is not just a big machine. It is the heart of Tesla's next-generation manufacturing system. Instead of building a car from thousands of separate metal parts, Tesla is moving toward a system where huge sections of the car body are cast in almost one piece. When you reduce hundreds of steps into just a handful, the cost drops, the weight drops, the complexity drops, and the production speed increases dramatically. The Model 2 will be the first car designed fully around this idea, not just partially. People inside the industry know that Tesla has spent a great deal of time improving the die casting methods. The next generation molds, the new metal mixtures, the better cooling systems, and even the layout of the casting lines inside the factory are being shaped specifically for this smaller car. This is why so many experts say that the Model 2 is not simply another car. It is a full manufacturing revolution. And this revolution matters far beyond Tesla. Other companies like BYD are already growing at high speed, especially in markets like China, Brazil, and some European regions. Tesla knows that to stay ahead, the next phase must be faster, cheaper, and smarter. When we talk about the appearance of the Model 2, a lot of sketches online show it as a tiny hatchback. But the reality may be a little more bold and balanced. Recent quiet hints from suppliers, from early prototype sightings, and even from small comments by Tesla designers suggest that the Model 2 will have a slightly wider stance than people expected. Not large, but wide enough to feel stable, safe, and modern. The front lighting design is rumored to have a thin and sharp look, more like a soft continuation of the Cybertruck design language but adjusted for a small city car. The sensors for autonomous features are expected to be more hidden, cleaner, and better integrated so the car looks futuristic but still simple. One interesting rumor is that the Model 2 will include a full glass roof option, although not a default one. This may depend on region, weather conditions, and cost control. Some markets may get a partly tinted roof while others may offer a lighter version. Energy-efficient wheels are another quiet hint. Tesla has been testing new aerodynamic wheel shapes designed specifically for small cars that spend most of their time driving at city speeds. These wheels are shaped to reduce drag without looking strange. Inside the car, the talk is that the dashboard will follow a very minimal approach, even more minimal than the Model 3 and Model Y. There may be no traditional gauge cluster at all. All information may be placed on a single center screen and possibly a small augmented display behind the steering wheel in some trims. Seats will probably be lighter and thinner, but still comfortable because Tesla has been testing new foam materials that do not lose shape over long distances. Since this is a budget car, Tesla must keep production cost under control, so the interior will likely feel clean, neat, and future-focused without using expensive materials. The biggest unknown is the battery system. Analysts say Tesla is looking into two types of cells, a lithium iron phosphate pack for global affordability and a sodium-ion pack for extremely cost-sensitive regions. Sodium-ion batteries are gaining attention because they are cheap, safe, and good for city driving ranges. They do not need rare materials, and they can be manufactured in huge numbers. While sodium-ion packs do not match the energy density of some other chemistries, the Model 2 is a small car with a lightweight frame, so it can work well even with a slightly lower energy density. Tesla knows that the long-term game is volume, not luxury performance. Range expectations vary. Some people think it will offer around 250 miles of real-world range, while others think it may start a little lower to keep costs down. Tesla may offer different versions, one with longer range and one with basic range for city use. Charging speed is expected to improve a little compared to older cells because Tesla has been optimizing thermal stability and charging algorithms. Many of these improvements come from learnings gathered during the development of the Cybertruck and the updated Model 3. The global impact of the Model 2 is huge. Many countries are waiting for an affordable electric car that can be produced in large numbers. Europe, India, South America, Southeast Asia, and parts of Africa are potential big markets. Tesla is planning to build the Model 2 in multiple Gigafactories, including Mexico, possibly Texas, Berlin, and maybe one in Asia to reduce logistics costs. Each region may create its own version with small differences to match local rules and customer needs. This not only reduces shipping costs but also allows Tesla to adjust quickly to demand. What makes all of this even more exciting is how fast Tesla wants to produce this car. Elon Musk once said that the next generation platform could cut production time in half. If that happens, Tesla could build millions of these cars every year. That type of output could change the entire electric vehicle landscape. Even competitors like Toyota, Hyundai, and Volkswagen would be forced to speed up their own affordable electric vehicle plans. The beginning of this new design also shows that Tesla is learning from the Model Y and Model 3 sales patterns. People want something small, something easy to park, something that does not feel oversized. Cities are getting busier and energy prices are becoming more unpredictable. A small and efficient electric vehicle makes sense in almost every market. It fits the everyday life of students, families, delivery drivers, office workers, and even ride-share services. Safety is another area where Tesla is putting extra attention. Even though the Model 2 will be small, Tesla wants it to maintain strong crash protection. The Giga cast structure allows for very rigid sections that keep passengers safe. Combined with electric vehicle design advantages such as low center of gravity and strong battery housing, the car may score very high on safety tests. Autopilot and full self-driving features will probably be included as paid upgrades. Tesla is working on new computer chips and new software networks that require fewer sensors but deliver better accuracy. The camera-based system is becoming stronger with every update. The Model 2 will most likely support all of these future upgrades because Tesla wants every new car to stay relevant for many years. No matter how much we try to guess, Tesla always manages to surprise people. The Model 2 might include features no one is expecting, like new storage ideas, hidden compartments, better wireless charging inside the cabin, or even improvements in sound reduction. Tesla has spent years studying how people actually use their cars, and those observations may shape the final product. As we get closer to 2026, more small leaks will appear. Supplier lists will change. Factory construction will speed up. Press machines will be installed. And at some point, Tesla will quietly prepare a limited number of early prototypes that will not be shown to the public. Everything will happen at high speed because Tesla wants to launch as soon as the new production line in Mexico is ready. For now we only have pieces of a puzzle, but these pieces are forming the shape of something important. The Tesla Model 2 is not simply a new car. It is the next stage of electric mobility, the next step in Tesla's global strategy, and a major milestone in the transition away from fossil fuels. The company wants a future where clean transportation is normal, not special. And this small car could be the spark that pushes the world fully into that future. As more details emerge, we will be here to break everything down in simple words for everyone. So stay tuned with Amp Drive because this journey is only beginning, and the next chapters are going to be even more unbelievable.